Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to create a MongoDB in the cloud. So in this video, we are going to walk through how we can create our own Mongo database, and that's going to be in the cloud. And the website that we are going to be looking at is MongoDB. So this is our main website, mongodb.com. And this is also how you can access your cloud database. So MongoDB Atlas is a global cloud database service for modern web applications, and you can also connect to it from your local app. It is a free way to access and create a Mongo database and have it online, and then be able to access it from your local application. There are a number of ways to get the Mongo set up, and probably one of the easiest way to get started is just using the free cloud service. So if you go to this website and just click the start free, and this will give you an option to set up a free service in the cloud service. So I'm just going to do a quick sign up through my Google account. So I already have it, so I'm just gonna click sign up with Google, which is fairly quick sign up. So select the Google account that you want to use and continue over to mongo.com. Then this is going to take a few minutes to set up. So it is free account. Another good thing is that you don't have to give your credit card or anything, and can set up this way, or you could do it any number of ways. So first we are going to on cloud.mongodb.com page. It is loading project overview for us, and then we are going to create a cluster. And now we are ready to create our first cluster. So just click over here, create. So here I'm just going to select the free one, this one over here, and I will just select the default cluster name and click on create deployment. And your IP address will be added to enable connectivity. And this is your username and password. And here you can select a connection method also. We are going to connect from our Node.js. And you can also see your password by clicking on show, and here you just need to create your database. So now we have our database user created, and now we are going to choose a connection method to connect to our cluster. So just click over here, and there are different methods. There are drivers, and we are going to check for VS Code environment because we are going to connect from our Node.js application from our VS Code. So I will just go over here, and here is the URL. This you need to copy this one to connect to your MongoDB deployment. Here you need to replace your password. This is my username, so I'm just gonna copy it. Or you can just copy from here and then just click on done. So we are ready to connect from our application. Now we are going to write a node app to connect to this cluster and perform a basic query or connection to our database. So this service, this cluster is connected with or added to your IP address. If you want to add more IP address from where you can access this service, you can do that too. And here, add a connection IP address. You're just gonna, here we are just going to add it. And if you want to allow access from anywhere, you can click over here, or you can just keep your IP address, and this will allow from every system, so from different IP address to connect to your cluster. Just click on confirm. So it is more easy this way if you are having a connection issue just for test. So now we are going to write our Node.js code. To use MongoDB with Node.js, you will need to install the MongoDB package in your Node.js project. You can use this command in your terminal to install the MongoDB package. So we can just open a new terminal, and on our terminal we can just type npm install MongoDB and just hit enter. I already have on my system, so I don't need it. So you just need to type this one and hit enter. Now you can create a .js file, and we need to require MongoDB. So this will be const Mongo client, and we are going to do require MongoDB. In order to connect to our MongoDB Atlas database, we need to get our connection string from the Atlas dashboard. And we are going to set const, and we are going to, so I will just name it DB URI, and here will be your connection string. I will just copy and paste it, and here you can just replace the password. And then we are going to have const client new Mongo client, then we are going to create a Mongo client by passing in our URI, And we are going to add our async function run. Then we are going to have our try and finally block. This will be try to handle the exceptions. And then we have wait client dot connect. We're just going to make a connection. It's typing too fast. Client connect. And we have a sample database, and we are going to use that database MongoDB to check and get some data from this database. Client, and this will be here. We need to provide the database name. Some movie database, information about movies, and then we are going to have our mm, oh, this one is a connection. Uh, Not here, just to connect. And in the next step, we are going to use this one. So this will be const db client db and get the collection back. Const collection, that will be our db dot collection, and here will be movies. We are going to talk more how to connect to database and how to get collections and insert document in our other videos. We are just going in this video, we are just trying to connect to our database on cloud and just get some data and print it to the console. So that is our goal, to set up the database on cloud and connect to it. So we are going to find the first document in the collection now. We wait collection, find one, and we are going to use console to log, just print the document to the console. So data coming back from our cloud-based database, And here we are going to have a finally. Need to close the database connection when finished, or if there is an error. So we're just gonna do wait client close, and then we're just going to run and catch console errors. Catch console dot error. Okay, I just need to change the password here, and we are going to run our code then. If you want to see the database names, such as our sample database, you can go to the tab over here on the left side link. Just click on databases, and then you can click on browse collections. And here is the list of databases, and here is sample underscore mflex, and so on. And when we run our code, we get this output. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you.